Have you ever dreamed of owning your own car but felt like the price tag was kilometers out of reach? I get it. Millions of people rely on public transport every single day. Not because they want to, but because buying a petrol or diesel car is just too expensive. And let's be honest, electric vehicles? For most of us, they might as well be spaceships. But what if there was another way? Imagine turning that old petrol or diesel car, maybe the one parked outside your family home, into a clean electric vehicle. This is called retrofitting, and it's more possible than you might think. In many places, a retrofit can cost a fraction of a new electric car. Instead of spending $30,000, you might spend $7,000 or less. And after that, no more fuel bills. Maintenance costs drop because electric motors are simpler and cleaner. If we can swap out the polluting engine for an electric one, suddenly, the dream of owning an EV becomes way more affordable. Plus, you get a quieter, smoother ride. Retrofitting gives older cars a new life. Instead of scrapping thousands of perfectly good vehicles, we can reuse and upgrade them. That means less waste, less pollution, and cleaner air in our neighborhoods. Plus, more jobs for local mechanics and technicians. Imagine the impact. More money in your pocket and a real path to owning a car without waiting decades for prices to drop. Of course, it's not a magic fix. Retrofitting needs skilled workers, smart regulations, and support from governments and communities. But as more people demand affordable, eco-friendly transport, these options are becoming more available. So if you're dreaming of mobility, of independence, or just a better commute, retrofitting could be your key. Talk to African Smart Cities who is making this dream a reality. Keep your eyes open, ask questions, and don't give up on your dream. The road ahead is changing, and owning your own electric vehicle might be closer than you think. Thanks for watching, and remember, hope drives African Smart Cities forward.